from the two.
It was always a paradise, far from civilization and war. 200 years ago, two friends set out on an impossible voyage.
Tahiti.
Fletcher, I want you to sail with me again.
They made a journey through hell and arrived at this perfect place only to become mortal enemies. Their names were Fletcher Christian and William Bly. Their ship was the Bounty.
Squared away!
He was a sailor of brilliance.
In my opinion, we should put about. In my opinion, we should not, sir. We keep on our course.
At 22, he was at an age when bravery came easily.
I'm replacing Mr. Fryer with Mr. Christian.
A paradise seduced him, and his passion would change his life forever.
I think your brain has been overheated, sir. Your body overindulged in sexual excess.
I have done no more than any natural man would do.
There'll be no more mixing with the damned degenerate natives of these islands. You comprehend my meaning, sir? God!
The men might be in charge. What are you threatening me with? It's not a threat, it's a warning.
Everybody in the boat! Prepare to pull away! Think of my family, of my friendship. Think of my wife.
Anthony Hopkins, Mel Gibson, Laurence Olivier, Edward Fox.
Wasn't this Christian a friend of yours?
He was, sir.
The Bounty.
I don't think the men will have it.
Oh, the men won't have it. Are they in charge of the Bounty?
They might be if you insist.
Again, would you repeat that, please? The men might be in charge. What are you threatening me with?
It's not a threat, it's a warning.
Oh, there are rumblings, are there?
No. There is fear.
Around the Horn is the easiest way, the better way, and that is how we will go. Anything more?
Don't put Adams under the lash.
He was insubordinate. Cowardly and insubordinate. He frightened the men. I did not put that fear there. He did. So he will be lashed, and we will go round the horn. Are you frightened to go round the horn, Mr. Christian? Are you a coward too, sir?